Okay, how's it going? What's going on, guys? One of my lights is falling. I'm not going to touch that, though. I'll leave that there for now till it falls and bonks me in the head. Actually, that's the last light, so it just might. But today, as you can see, it's not early. I don't know if you can actually see. Yeah, there you go. It's not early. Usually UPS gets to my house at like 2. Today they got to my house at 7. I was waiting the whole time, just patiently. And I finally got the gasket in. It's done. Just kidding. Wouldn't that be nice? So, as you can imagine, today I'm going to be pulling the head on this thing and hopefully getting the gasket on, because I just wasn't going to post today. And then I was like, you know what, dude, it's 7 o'clock. It doesn't take that long to do this stuff. Yeah, so I guess we'll get the car on the front jack stands, because I got to drop that motor mount, get some wood underneath the motor. I already drained the oil the other day and freaking took the downpipe off, so we're good on those two. At least the annoying stuff's out of the way. Like I said, I ordered this, I think April 24th I ordered this, so it's literally been, I want to say it's 2 weeks today since I've ordered the damn thing. But like I said, they were out of stock, and Cometic had to make a new one. But most importantly, let's check this out and see if it is indeed the correct gasket. Here we go. Street Pro Cometic 85 mil H22A F20B, but the 85 mil is what we're looking at. There we go. 30 thousandths. Nice Cometic head gasket. I got a nice little sticker for the car. So I got this, and I got the ARPs. So you guys know, don't bitch at me for using fake parts. I got good shit. So that's enough bullshit. Let's get straight to work. It's late, and Don and them are coming over later. So I'm trying to have this either pulled apart or put back together by the time homies get here. So yeah. So first thing I do when I do this, take the driver's side wheel off. You're gonna have to take the timing cover off so you can undo the timing belt. Fortunately for me, I have a manual tensioner, courtesy of Nice CNC. So should be pretty damn easy to get the belt on and off. So that will be yeah. Take the wheel off. So now you grab your bolt turning mechanism of choice. Mine would be that, because it's easy for me. An assortment of sockets. Start with a 10 mil and just bug out. Okay, so it is 8:50. I got here around 7:30, and I got the manifold off, the turbo off, everything over there is disconnected, distributor's off, wastegate, all the lines pretty much, my injector clips, IAC, this stuff here, which I didn't even need to take off, but I did anyway. Actually, yeah, I did, because this is coming off, but I pretty much got everything. I got, like I said, I got the timing belt, timing cover, main pulley, everything is off that needs to be off, I think anyway. I always do this. Now that everything in here looks like a complete freaking disaster, I can go ahead and get these cams off and head studs and make a big mess underneath the thing, because it's gonna freaking pour coolant everywhere, because I mean, I drained it, but you know, it's not drained. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Ok, ¿qué tú quieres? I very good. I fixed the Honda Prelude F20B, no more H23. I put the ARP head stud, Comatic head gasket. Yeah. All right. Well, Donovan and Elton just got here, and I just finished like tightening up or torquing the last head stud. I did them all to 80 because they're ARPs. They should be able to take it.
No, what is it? Fart while Jimmy was filming?
Because people would think it was him?
Yeah, and sometimes he'll forget that happened and he doesn't catch it when he's editing. And it's mad funny. Fucking carpet.
No, if he has a can, it won't melt the carpet.
What are you talking about?
I don't know what the dialogue is.
Bro, we use it all the time and
I'm
it's
saying,
fine.
if he has like a can, like a metal can with like a nice like metal sheet I can put under, I have extra logs in my trunk if you have a fire.
You know what?
Where are we gonna have a fire, dude?
You know
Not
what?
a big.
I got a bad track record with fires, dude. I can't be friggin'.
Not a big fire, like the smoke. I don't think the carbon
A
blast.
blast? You want to make a little blast furnace? I know what you're talking about.
Okay. Anyways, I got as far as I wanted to tonight. I'm gonna. Everything's torqued back up. ARP's blah blah blah. Kinetic. Everything. You guys get the whole thing. I'm gonna come back here tomorrow. I'm gonna come back here tomorrow. Throw all this together. And then when Callie gets out of work, go to her house with all the tools, and yeah, we'll gotta do like oil change to her car and fix those rear brake issue, and then she should be all good for the event. But I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys